What's up, guys? Today we're going to be replacing the fuel filter on my truck. It's a F350 2004 Superduty 5.4 liter. This is the fuel filter that we're going to be installing on the truck. So I went out to Harbor Freight and I got a 17-piece master disconnect set. This is so inexpensive. I wouldn't say cheap because it seems like they're made out of pretty sturdy plastic, but I got this for under 50 bucks. Comes with just about everything you need to disconnect fuel lines. All right, so let's go. All right, so now I'm under the truck. There's the fuel filter we're going to be replacing. There's your disconnect that's closer to the rear, your disconnect closer to the front. This is right under the driver side frame. I would say closer to the front of the engine on this model. And it looks like all I gotta do is disconnect this clip here. Disconnect that, push that back out of the way. This fuel system is already depressurized, so I shouldn't have a problem. And then you can see that I gotta find the right size fuel disconnect tool to take that line off, and that'll just go in there and push that line back. All right, so for this side of the filter, I use the scissor disconnect tool, and it seemed to work the best. So I kind of just pried it up on the side here and pushed it. Now I'm gonna take the line out. Go. It's a front line. Put that up there out of the way. It's not even leaking any fuel, which means my filter's probably all clogged up. Now I'll go to the, all right, there you go, there's the fuel. Never mind. Get yourself a bucket. Get yourself a little pan or a bucket to catch all that fuel. Now, okay, take note, there are two little grooves here and here. I had to put the camera down for a second so I can use two hands to line these up. And then once you line it up in those grooves, it pops right in place. And now you can connect your lines. When it's installed, it should look like that. And then fire it up, make sure you don't have any leaks, and you're good to go. Like, comment, subscribe.